Hello everyone, it's Tammy at Creative Girl Vintage. I hope you're having a great day. So this is project number 2 in my Christmas Crafting in July series. If you've missed project number 1, I put a link to that video in the description box below, so go check that out. So this is what I gathered up today for our project. Do you guys have any idea what's going to become of all this? Well, just remember, out of chaos comes creativity. So I went shopping in my craft room, found a bunch of little fun things that I think are going to go together really well. And if you're new to my channel, I'm a cool grandma that's been rescuing pieces from flea markets, thrift stores, and junk shops for decades. I always try to see the possibilities, and it's my goal that you see them too. So I hope you're inspired. Let's put this together and see what we got, okay? All right, we're starting out with a vintage cabinet card. I did another video altering a vintage cabinet card with a little bit of history, so you can go over and check that one out. I'll link that one below. So we're going to start out with that. That's going to be the base to this project, to this Christmas assemblage that we're doing today. This is a piece of old doily I found at the flea market, and I thought I'm just going to glue that right here on top of this card. There we go. I'm going to use my Fabrifix to do that. Let's see, let me cut this to fit a little bit better. Cut this top off right here. Okay, I'm going to use that for something, I think, too. Okay, let's get a little bit of this glue on here. So, are you guys doing any Christmas crafting yet? Getting some things done early for your gift giving this year? I'd love to hear about it. Just leave me a message in the comments and tell me what you guys are up to. Okay. All right, this is going to be all sticky. Just going to lay that on there like that. Like we're kind of halfway to Christmas. It's always fun. Put on some Christmas music. All right, I won't do that today though, and you won't be able to hear me talk. So we'll forget the music for now. There, look at that. Okay, covered the little cabinet card. That looks cute. I found this chenille stem pipe cleaner. This one is vintage. They're not easy to find, vintage ones like this. They have a little nice patina to them compared to the new ones. So I'm going to use this for the hanger. Decided that would look really cute. So how about we just do a little hot glue, lay this on there. I usually punch holes and stick lace through the holes, but I thought this would be cute on this project. It seemed like everything flowed together nicely. All right, and remember this little piece we saved from the front? I'm just going to put that on the back. It just kind of finishes it off a little bit and keeps this a little bit more secure. I'll just do that with my hot glue gun since it's just the back. A project like that. All right, this is a good little base to work off for our assemblage. All right, so look at this. This little vintage corsage. Is that not the cutest with these little bells? I was at a garage sale and I found this box. It was $2. These two little beautiful, sweet little corsages in there. Even the box is cute. So that's perfect for this. And then in one of my drawers, look at this little guy. He's just a little elf that I don't know what he was stuck to, but he's getting ready to get a new home. So I'm going to lay the corsage here, and I thought he would be cute just right here. This is simple hot glue. I'm going to attach it for our little Christmas assemblage in July. This guy, same deal. A little bit of glue on his backside. Just pop him in right there. Maybe I need a little. Oh, I did. I put a little on his head. Okay. That's looking sweet. And I think I'll just secure this down a little bit more right here so it's not popping off the card. Okay. My channel is fairly new. If you guys are watching these videos and you're enjoying them, I would really appreciate it if you'd hit the subscribe button. It kind of helps me get up and going here. All right. Okay, that's looking good so far. Okay, it's going to get better though. Oh yeah, I had found this piece of lace here. I thought this was really pretty, and that would really look cute on the bottom. So I'm going to just stick that right here on the back, like this. Let's glue it on. All right. There, isn't that pretty? Okay. This comes together pretty quick. And I have, here, let's do this. I found one of my rubber stamps. This one is just 25 December. Got a little bit of red ink. Okay, this is a library card that I coffee dyed. So I thought this would be cute to just use this as kind of a little sign on here. So let's ink up this stamp. I'm going to put it right over the borrower's name. Well, you can kind of see that it was a repurposed library card. Okay. And let's cut this out. I'm going to put everything in my Etsy shop after all the Christmas pieces are done that we're doing together for this series at the end of the month. So you might not want to miss that if you like this piece and want to grab it. Okay, that looks cute right there. Easy peasy. Pop it right on. Okay, I have some little vintage lace here. I sell this in my Etsy shop. Link is below for that. How about right above there? Little hot glue. Done. All right. Pom-poms. All right. Yep. One right there. Do you see how easy this went together? You know, I just gathered up a bunch of stuff that I had, all my little vintage pieces, and I had the card in my hand. I put the doily on top, and then I just kind of laid stuff on it and just seeing kind of what looked good, and all this was flowing together so nicely. Okay, and then let's see, I got one more pom-pom which I thought would look cute right on the top of his little hat. All right, now if my granddaughter was here, she would say, Mimsy, that's what she calls me, no project is complete without some glitter. And you know, she's absolutely right. So just for you, Aubrey, let's get the glitter out. And I think if Aubrey was here, she'd probably go for the little buttons and maybe his little collar. So we'll just put a little Mod Podge right there. And shake that right over a little bowl so we can recycle our glitter. Oh, of course, that is so much better. Okay. Thanks to Aubrey, my favorite glitter queen. Okay, you guys. Let me get rid of the stuff over here. Let's take a look at this. Now, that's really sweet, isn't it? Do you guys like that? It turned out so cute. This could be so cute hanging on a door or a little peg, a little handle in your kitchen. I just think this turned out very, very sweet. Now I'm going to be back with project number 3. I'm working on that right now in this Christmas and Crafty Christmas in July series. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And, you know, be sure to embrace your creative side because we all have one hidden in there. See you soon. Have a great day.